Did you know that your gut is home to over 100 trillion bacteria? That's more bacteria than there are stars in our galaxy. And here's the surprising part. The health of those tiny organisms affects everything. Your energy, your mood, your skin, even your immune system. But if you're constantly eating processed foods, skipping meals, or living with high stress, your gut is silently struggling. You might feel as bloating, fatigue, brain fog, or just never quite feeling your best. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to repair and clean your gut, naturally, safely, and without any extreme cleanses or expensive supplements. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm a certified health educator, and this channel is all about evidence-based, practical health tips you can actually use in your daily life. Now, let's clear something up right away. The phrase gut detox gets thrown around a lot online. Your gut doesn't need a juice cleanse or a harsh supplement to detox. What it actually needs is the right environment to repair itself. And today, I'm sharing 5 simple science-backed ways to do just that. Tip number 1, eat more fiber. And I'm not just talking about brand cereal. Fiber is the food your good gut bacteria eat. When they feed on fiber, they produce something called short-chain fatty acids. And these are incredibly important. They help heal the gut lining, reduce inflammation, and even support a healthy immune system. If you usually have white bread for breakfast, try switching to whole grain or sourdough. Add a handful of berries to your yogurt. Keep a bag of nuts or seeds at your desk for snacking. These small changes make a big difference over time. Aim for around 25 to 30 grams of fiber daily. Most people are only getting about half of that. Tip number 2. Include fermented foods in your diet regularly. Foods like yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha, and miso contain probiotics. That's a fancy word for beneficial live bacteria. Think of probiotics as reinforcements for the good army already living in your gut. You don't need to eat all of these. Pick 1 or 2 you actually enjoy. Maybe it's a small bowl of natural yogurt with breakfast or a side of sauerkraut with your lunch. A 2021 study from Stanford University found that people who ate a high fermented food diet actually showed increased microbial diversity and reduced markers of inflammation in just 10 weeks. That's pretty remarkable. Tip number 3. Manage your stress. Yes, stress and your gut are directly connected through something called the gut-brain axis. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which can slow down digestion, disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, and even increase gut permeability, sometimes called leaky gut. You've probably noticed this yourself. Feeling nervous before a big event and your stomach turns. That's the gut-brain connection in action. What you can do. Even 5 to 10 minutes of deep breathing, a short walk after dinner, or simply putting your phone away 30 minutes before bed can lower your stress response and give your gut a chance to recover. Tip number 4. Stay hydrated and limit gut irritants. Water helps keep the mucosal lining of your intestines healthy and supports the smooth movement of food through your digestive system. If you're dehydrated, everything slows down, and that leads to bloating, constipation, and discomfort. Now, this doesn't mean you need to give up everything you enjoy, but be mindful of excessive alcohol, very high sugar intake, and artificial sweeteners. Studies have shown these can negatively affect your gut bacteria balance over time. Start your morning with a glass of water before reaching for coffee. Keep a reusable bottle at your desk, and if you drink alcohol, try to follow it with water and give your gut rest days in between. Tip number 5. Prioritize good sleep and consider your meal timing. Your gut has its own circadian rhythm, meaning the bacteria in your digestive system follow a cell cycle, just like you do. When you eat late at night, skip sleep, or have irregular meal times, you disrupt that cycle. Research shows that people who get less than 6 hours of sleep have significantly different gut bacteria compared to those who get 7 to 8 hours, and not in a good way. Aim to finish eating 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Give your digestive system a break overnight. Keep a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends if you can. Your gut will thank you. So, to quickly recap, add fermented foods, manage your stress, stay hydrated, limit irritants, prioritize sleep, and be mindful of when you eat. Nothing extreme, just consistent daily habits.